I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Thunder Creations in Millbridge, Maine. And this week, it's only going to be a small project, and you haven't seen any of the bigger projects lately because it's winter time here in Maine and the shop isn't heated. And presently, it's about 19 degrees Fahrenheit out here in the shop. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a bin for some of my screws. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. I really appreciate it. And of course, when you subscribe, you're automatically entered in my random drawing giveaways. And so if you'll do that, I appreciate it. Here's the video showing you how I made my screw bins. And by the way, these bins are made not just for the size of the box of screws that I'm putting in them. It's about 1.5 times the capacity, because typically I'll buy another box of screws before I'm completely out of the previous one. Thanks for watching. So typically I buy screws by the 5-pound box, and you can see what happens here. This one's just falling apart, the screws going everywhere. Ultimately they end up on the floor. I got to pick them up with a magnet. This one's on its way out. This one will break open soon. Different screw. These are Torx head screws. These are just Phillips head screws. These are coated. These aren't. I have a variety of different types of screws in different lengths. I really need to get organized, so I'm going to build a bin for this one here. I don't know if it's so cold out, I don't know if I'll get to this one today, but I'll build this one, and then what I'll do is I'll draw up a set of plans, and so if anybody's interested, you can download them for free if you want to make some of these bins. And I'm not going to use my X-Carve CNC machine for this. I'll just use conventional tools because I know that most people don't have a CNC machine. And the plans will be in both imperial dimensions and metric dimensions, so my metric friends can also build these without having to do conversions.